Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to make your desktop icons disappear. Or if you want to hide any specific system apps from your desktop, you can do that too. Let's get started. To hide all of the icons from the desktop, right-click anywhere on the blank space. Hover over View, click on Show Desktop Icons, and all of the icons will get disappeared. To make them visible again, follow the same process. Right-click anywhere. Hover over View, click on Show Desktop Icons, and the icons will appear again. This process hides or unhides all of the desktop icons at once. But what if you want to hide any specific system apps, such as this PC, Recycle Bin, or Control Panel? That is a bit lengthy process. First, search for themes and open themes and related settings. You can also find themes by going into Settings, selecting Personalization, and selecting themes after scrolling down. Now, scroll further down to find Desktop Icon Settings and click on it. You will get a list of icons that you can select or unselect to make them appear or disappear from the desktop. Once you are done selecting, click on Apply and then OK. You can see the selected app is now visible on the desktop. And that's all you need to customize your desktop experience. If you want to know how you can change folder icons, click on the link on the I button or check the description for the link. If you liked the video, please subscribe the channel and hit that notification bell. Thank you for watching.